October 1st, 2020, let's practice. So number 1, what is the least common multiple of 3, 4, and 8? So here's how we are going to approach this. It's the same as what we've been doing. We're just adding another number. So now we just need to figure out, instead of finding the smallest number for just 2 numbers, we need to find the smallest or the least of the common multiples for 3 numbers. We can do it. So first, let's do the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, am I going to make it to 30? 30, dot, dot, dot. All right, let's try to make it a little bit bigger there. All right, so that's okay. There we go. All right, so there are the multiples of 3, the first 10 multiples. Let's do the first 10 multiples of 4. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Alrighty, and then we have, last but not least, 8. So let's find the multiples of 8. We have 8, then 16, and then 24, 32, 40, 48, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 64. And actually, I'm going to stop there so that we don't run too out of time. There we go. Okay, so now we have multiples for 3, 4, and 8. So what are we trying to find? We need to find the least common multiple. So the least, or the first multiple that they all have in common. So do they share 3? No. How about a 6? No. A 9? Well, 4 and 8 share 8, but not a 3. How about 12? 12, 12? No. 15? 15? No. 18? 18? No. 21? No. 24? I see 24. So 24, 24, and 24. So what is the least common multiple, or the first number they share? 24. That's it. So that's going to be our answer. That is the least common multiple of 3, 4, and 8 is 24.